Ludicrous Feed is proudly sponsored by My Car, Tyre and Auto, Carloop, data to empower Australia's EV revolution, and Hankook, driving emotion.
Hey everyone, I'm Tom from Ludicrous Feed. Thank you so much for joining us and welcome to potentially my very last video with my 2023 premium variant BYD Seal. And before I get into the specs of the vehicle, I'm sure you're wondering, why am I selling this car? Well, it's been 18 glorious months. I've had a fabulous time driving this car and telling you all about it. But it's funny how life circumstances sometimes change. You might have seen in my recent content that I'm reviewing a lot more cars. So much so that I haven't really been driving this car very much as I love it. So it's actually sitting in my garage, not doing much. I loaned it to a friend recently. Just thought I'd help him out because he was waiting for his new car, but now it's just sitting there. So instead of just letting it go to waste in my garage all day, I thought, you know what, I might release it into the wild and let someone else love this car, find a second home for it, so to speak. So that is the main reason why I'm selling it, because I'm not using it. Whether I change to another car, I'm not so sure yet. Not having another car is certainly an option, because I might just rely on press cars from now on. Joy and I are doing that fairly regularly these days. I might actually switch over to a smaller car, if anything. I've also got to consider my son, who's going to be driving very soon. He's going to be going on his L's, so I've got a year to think about whether to buy a car that he can drive as well, that I can share with him. So all these things are coming into consideration. But for the time being, I am selling this car. The ad is on carsales.com.au, so check that out. Link in the video description below. It is at market price currently. There's only two at this time, at the time of this video. There's only two available in Sydney of this type, so premium Seal with only 10,000 kilometers on the clock. So not very many Ks at all in 18 months. It's had its 12-month logbook service, if that means anything to you. So check out that ad, and hopefully, the Seal will find a new home very soon. But what I'm going to do for you today, instead of just talking about the specs, talk about the car and why it's for sale, I might actually go through all the accessories that I've installed in the car as well, just to give you some value instead of just watching a sales ad, so to speak, for this car. So let's go outside to check out the car inside and out, and show you all the accessories I've installed for this car. And they're all included, of course, with the sale of this vehicle. Let's go check it out. Okay, so here she is in all her glory, and don't worry, these number plates are novelty. I'm just covering them up for the time being while the car is for sale. But I'll just walk around for you guys to start with. So I've installed these blue Caliper covers as well. They're part of the deal when you buy this vehicle. All four wheel covers are there, and they've been installed for the last year, so they've been on with no problems at all, no effect on efficiency. So this is a long-range rear-wheel drive vehicle, 82 kilowatt hour, 500 kilometers of real-world range, tested and verified, 0 to 100 in 5.9 seconds, 4.8 meters in length. As I said, that is also a novelty plate. So let's have a look at the boot to start with. Let's push that. So 360 camera all throughout the vehicle. I'm also going to include my third-party spare tyre as well. So there you go. Most EVs don't come with one, but I got one to review, so that will be thrown in with the sale of this car. And that's the sunshade as well, the glass roof sunshade that will come with the car as well. There's also more storage underneath as well, right there. Okay, so plenty of storage, and every single floor mat that you see with this car will be included as well. And this is an extra aftermarket, I guess, trunk or boot guard that comes with the car as well. Let's go around this way. And again, the blue Caliper covers on all four wheels. The windows are tinted, and within the legal limit for New South Wales, so all good. Very cozy in there, as my children can attest to. And glass roof as well, which is silver lined, so good for heat rejection. Let's hop into the second row. By the way, check out these door close sounds. How good is that, right? It is European design. BYD's got a European engineer at the helm, or designer. So that's why their cars look good. And that is the spacious interior. Flat floor. Again, floor liners all included. That's the OEM floor liner that came with the car, and is yours as well if you buy it. Yeah. That's the view of the glass roof for the heat rejection, which I've proven as well that it does work compared to non-heat rejected roof or non-silver lined roof. Yeah. So let me show you guys the front row now. So again, floor covers all included. Most of the accessories are actually in here. So let me go through them right now. So just move that tripod mount. So there is a Glovebox organizer that's included. There's also a organizer here for the storage area that's included. Wireless charging protector that's there as well. Yep. And in this center section here, that's an organizer. And if I lift this up, there's a karaoke mic as well, which is yours. You can have that too. Yes, if you really want to hear me sing, check out that video. Let's go around to the front side. Just swing around the front again for you guys, because you know you want to see the front. I will miss this vehicle. Actually, let's have a look at the Frunk, or the front storage, now that we're here. Let's pull this up here. So, bit of a storage area here, and included is the V2L adapter and also the 10 amp charger as well. There you go, that's all included. You can just plug in anything there. Good for blackouts, emergency situations. You can power your home for days, I reckon, possibly weeks. Big battery. Okay, let's go back around this way. So I've installed performance pedals there, you can see, looks quite good. And then there's also the OEM Dashcam, which I installed for you as well if you buy this car. So that's in there, and it works with the infotainment screen as well, which of course has been updated with the software update recently. So Apple CarPlay now has all the icons down here, including the seat memory position. So that's very quick, easy access if you need to. Previously it would fill up the whole screen, but now they've got a border around it, so you've got the shortcuts really quick and easy to access as well. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. One more thing, sunglass holder as well. That's been there since pretty much from the beginning. And by the way, all these accessories are available at topbyd.com as well if you want to just purchase them for yourself for your own BYD. I'll leave the link in the video description below as always, so check that out for you guys, for all you BYD owners out there. So there we are, that's my BYD Seal, everyone. Had some fun memories with it. Gone for a couple of long drives, and yeah, just day-to-day sort of great vehicle to own and to have. And of course, I should probably show you how it drives, how it handles on some of our local roads here. So let's do that right now for you. Okay, let's go for a drive, but I thought I'd just start with the reversing cameras so you can see what it looks like. Pretty confident in them and very high quality as well. Let's do it. Brief note on the sound system, Dyno Audio, so pretty good brand there, well known, and reasonable sound quality as well overall. Rear-wheel drive, right? So no torque steering, pretty stable, comfortable drive. I'll just take you around some of these quieter streets in the neighborhood here. Got the aircon running. You can sort of switch it like that if you like, with 3 fingers up and down on the screen, so easy to maneuver like that. I normally have it around 24, 25, I must say. The BYDs tend to run a bit high, as in, you know, normally I have it like 21, 22 in other cars, but for the same comfort level, I have it at 25, even sometimes 26. So maybe it's just me, but it sort of tends to run warm, I suppose. If that makes sense. Maybe the aircon is strong. Maybe that's what I'm trying to say. Whatever it is, I've got to have it on a higher number, degrees Celsius, compared to other vehicles I've driven. Right. So, yeah, I will miss this car. It has been a lot of fun. I think if I didn't do what I did, I would probably just keep this car because it's such a lovely car. But as I said, it's kind of going to waste at the moment because I've got press cars week to week, so it's not doing much. It's just wasting away in the garage. I think it's a pretty comfortable ride. If anything, it's on the floaty side. Some people like that in a vehicle rather than firm, especially at low speed. On the highway, it's no problem, of course. Yeah, so floaty means, I guess more gentle ride. Doesn't hurt your back or anything. Yeah, it's just a safe, smooth, comfortable ride. I should show you some of the, I guess, curvier roads around this area just to show you how it handles. But certainly at normal driving speed, it's no problem at all. And if you want to see other examples of me driving on the highway, certainly check out my channel and have a look at some of those videos too. There's plenty of examples of this car in action. You can charge it a Tesla V3, V4 supercharger, no problem. I've tested that after BYD fixed it. And of course it can charge up to 150 kilowatt DC fast charging and up to 7 kilowatts AC. So yeah, you won't notice it overnight if you plug it in and just charge away. It'll be I reckon charge every few days. Well, it depends how much you drive really, but I probably charge every week. When I was charging it every week at the, when I was driving it more regularly last year. But yeah, I think once a week is probably enough for most people because it's got such a big battery, right? It's 82 kilowatt hours, so that's 500 kilometers of real world range. That's a big battery. I don't think you'd have to worry too much. Let's take you around to some of these streets here. It's just so lovely, rear-wheel drive. Right, well, there you go guys. Just a brief drive around the neighbourhood and just a quick walk around with all the accessories that will be included with the car. As I said, this could be my very last video with this car, so it will be missed, but it will go to a new home, I'm sure. So just once again, thank you for watching all my BYD videos over the last 18 months. It's been fun, and yeah, keep watching and stay tuned. There'll be more coming for sure. So more press cars, and who knows what car I might end up with following the sale of this vehicle. So check out the ad on car sales, link in the video description below, link to topbyd.com with my coupon code for a discount off site-wide. Thanks for watching. I'm Tom from Ludicrous Feed. Until the next time, it's happy charging everyone, and take care.